Yes, yes, yes. Now we're on the last track. Sad to know that you're leaving. Right? Yeah, but I'm going to read another part. This is the last piece of paragraph within the liner notes from the album. Here's a picture too. Another piece of picture, outtake picture from the Night Nurse session. Okay, this piece has said, Night Nurse was recorded when Gregor Isaacs had reached a pinnacle of international fame. He's had plenty of ups and downs since then, but his exceptional creations have maintained a broad audience on several continents. For many, this is Gregory at his most recognizable, the smooth crooner with a vulnerable core. And that was all. This linear note that I have read was written by David Katz, saying, yeah, David Katz. So let's get into this track. Okay, sad to know that you're leaving. I like the rhythm too, very bouncy, groovy. Flabber whole time the bass line. So of course everything gonna be fine. All right, sad to know you're leaving, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh yeah. After you made my day.
Pull up. That now go play one time. That is against Solid Rock rule. When I tune bad, listen, no, I go back from the top. No, we can't do that. You mad? From the top.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
After you made my day, hurts to know you're going away. Seems like my life began to ruin now that you're departing pretty soon. But what more can I say? Yeah. Sad to know that you're leaving, even though it's kinda grieving. Sad to know that you're leaving, but I know that you'll return real soon. Alright, you can send me a postcard, mail it on to Deucing Yard. You know what loneliness brings, but I will guide you out and coming in. What more can I say? Yeah, sad to know that you're leaving, even though it's kinda grieving. Sad to know that you're leaving, but I will guide you out and coming in. Oh yeah. After you made my day, hurts to know you're going away. Seems like my life begin to ruin now that you're departing pretty soon. What more can I say? Yeah, sad to know that you're leaving, even though it's kinda grieving. Sad to know that you're leaving, but I know that you'll return real soon. You can send me a postcard, mail it on to Deucing Yard. say yeah. Sad to know that you're leaving, even though it's kinda grieving. Sad to know that you're leaving, but I will guide you out and coming in. Oh yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Gregory Isaacs with Sad to Know You're Leaving. Yeah, you know, the daughter says she's stepping out. But I know you'll be coming back because at my domain is where it's at. Okay? Yeah, at the tip of my hat. Yeah? Yeah, so Solid Rock Entertainment, that was the Night Nurse review and reaction videos, and track by track, track for track. And you know, whichever tune you want to tune, you can do them in order, you can do it however you want to do it, whatever one you feel you want to tune out to. That's why I do it this way, split them up in different pieces, you know what I'm saying, so you can do it however you want to, you know, if you have search for a tune or anything like that. Whichever, if you want your cool down the pace, you go straight to cool down the pace. If you want your material, man, you can go straight to material, man. You want your hot stepper, etc., etc. If you want flow it like the album flow, there you go. Right? But yes, so thank you for tuning in. Keep everything locked to Solid Rock. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the vibe. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to hear when I yell, to put you and everybody under a musical spell. Okay? Until next time, keep it locked to Solid Rock. Okay? We ain't going nowhere. We're right here. We're right here. We ain't going nowhere. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. Gregory Isaacs. That was the Gregory Isaacs Night Nurse full review, reaction, videos, track for track. Okay? Give thanks, blessed love, and light. No fuss, no fight.